The UltimaRF is a 1-input, 4-output or 4-input, 1-output fully automatic antenna switch matrix system. The UltimaRF consists of two components, the control box, which is the brain behind the antenna switch and has a 5-inch LCD touch panel, plus an antenna switch matrix consisting of a ruggedly designed input-output antenna switching system capable of 2500 watts peak envelope power on both the input and the output simultaneously. First, let's take a look at the rear of the control box. We will work from right to left. As you can see, there is a power connector which accepts 12 to 15 volts DC input. A computer-controlled PTT input and output system is next, which will automatically disrupt the PTT line to your amplifier should the SWR breach set user parameters. A local area network port for controlling the UltimaRF using a PC-based software system. A USB port is used to create a serial port connection with your local PC, which can in turn be used to control the Windows PC-based software suite. Then we have a DB9 band control data port for automatic antenna switch following. Your favorite rig ICOM, Yaesu, Anan, SDR, Kenwood and Flex are included. We have also included Wi-Fi to allow you to connect to the PC Windows-based software, and using a VPN you can operate the unit remotely. Link of the control box with the antenna matrix is via a RS-232 DB9 serial link connection. Let's have a look at the control box 5-inch touch panel. On the top left is a power indicator, to the right an SWR indicator. Beneath this is a power bar indicating the output power in watts. Transmitting, you can see all three in alignment. Next, we can see a band control data indicator which receives band control data in real time. The BCD language is selected in setup where ICOM, Yaesu, Anan, Sun SDR and Flex and Kenwood are options. Next, we can see the band control data indicator which receives band control data in real time. The BCD language is selected in setup where ICOM, Yaesu, Anan, Sun SDR and Kenwood and Flex are available options. The indicator on the right shows the currently selected language. Moving down are the 4 antenna toggle selection buttons. These can be manually selected using the touchscreen. Selecting Auto will tell the UltimaRF to choose your antenna based upon band control data. Entering Setup, you will find a band versus antenna matrix where you can enter which antenna you wish to select for each of the 10 bands covered. As you can see here, antenna 3 is selected for 160, 2 on 40, 1 on 20 through 10 meters, and antenna 4 on 6 meters. By selecting Auto and changing the frequency on the radio, the appropriate antenna will be automatically chosen by the UltimaRF. If you have utilized the push-to-talk input-output cutout option of the UltimaRF, setting error values for SWR and power in setup will automatically drop the PTT line to the amplifier should either of these values be breached, protecting your valuable amplifier's components. This is particularly useful if a solid-state amp is your chosen amplification device. Here you can see a power of 400 watts and an SWR of 2. If either of these values are breached, the PTT line to the amplifier will be dropped automatically. There is also an auto sleep function in setup, which will reduce the display to 10% in approximately 1 to 2 minutes of no activity. Entering the remote area of the UltimaRF, you will find options for None, manual control of the UltimaRF via the touch panel, COM, control of the PC-based software using a USB to serial port connection, LAN, control of the PC-based software using a LAN connection where an IP address is entered, and Wi-Fi, where the use of the PC-based software suite is controlled via Wi-Fi. Using Wi-Fi or LAN would also allow you to control the UltimaRF remote using a VPN or other system to gain access to your configured PC. The antenna matrix consists of a ruggedly designed 1-input, 4-output configuration, 1 radio to 4 antennas, or 4 inputs to 1 output, 4 radios to a single antenna system. Internally, there is a power and SWR detection system which has been accurately set prior to shipping against a very high-end and well-sought-after power and SWR meter. You can be sure the calibration is as accurate as possible. You can, however, adjust the detection system to your own local meters, and the procedure for this is well explained in the user manual. We hope this short video has given you some insight into the all-new UltimaRF automatic antenna system. We hope that you will love your product. Thank you for watching. All the very best from VK AMPS.